So I haven't seen my actual room in the past 3 days. And that may sound like a joke, but this little device right here may have effectively hijacked my brain's reward system. Almost every tech company out there is trying to push the perfect headset. But they all made the same mistake. They put the brain inside the glasses, while INAIR put the brain inside my pockets. And now I don't even want to take the glasses off. This is the INAIR Go Pack, and it's the most dangerous piece of tech I have ever owned. When you buy a first generation piece of tech from a lesser known company, you do expect it to be a little rough around the edges. But the unboxing experience here is genuinely premium. So I'll be along with the unboxing. Inside the box you get a carrying case, the INAIR 2 XR glasses, a folding Bluetooth keyboard, and the secret weapon, the INAIR Pod. So how about we start with the glasses? So these are 80 grams made of high quality plastic. They do feel good in the hand. And you get 3 degrees of adjustments in the arms. Inside, you're looking at a dual screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, which is absolutely vital if you plan to game on this thing. But the glasses, they are just monitors. The real magic happens inside this pod. So this little device looks like a futuristic remote, and it has a round touchscreen at the front, a fingerprint scanner on the side, and volume buttons and actual exhaust grills for a cooling fan. So inside this little thing, there is a Snapdragon 778G processor and a massive 5000 mAh battery. This happens to be the exact battery capacity as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And this is all packed into a dedicated AR brain. So in my testing, I was getting a little over 3 hours of continuous use. As for standby, it does last for days. They claim that it does last for like 20 days. So this here is the way the experience goes from a neat party trick to pure magic. So when you plug the glasses into the pod, you're not just mirroring your phone screen. You are launched into a dedicated spatial Android environment. So when you connect it to your glasses, the pod immediately acts as a pointer. You hold it to point at the apps all around you and use the front touchpad to select and scroll. Yes, the pointer does drift occasionally, but fixing it is a breeze. You just shake the pod, point it at the center, and it will recalibrate instantly. So the UI itself is beautiful. You can hold the bottom of the window, push it back into space to make room for more apps. So I found myself sitting on the couch running YouTube, a web browser, X, Instagram, all at the same time, and it ran flawlessly. Too flawlessly, probably fried my attention span a little bit, but we're not going to talk about that. You have an immersion dial on the glasses themselves, so you can slide up and down or control it from the software. So if you can't get all the way down, you'll see the room around you. If you slide it all the way up, you'll block everything around you in this physical world. Yeah, nobody wants to be in this world anymore. And there's one feature here that completely blew my mind. It's called AI 3D. So how it works, it takes a standard 2D picture or video from Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or any type of content and separates the foreground from the background. So turning your TV shows, your favorite movies, and even a random Instagram reel into 3D content. And this is hands down the best AI feature I've used since AI came out. And yeah, it's not just movies and videos. It can turn games into 3D. So this is essentially an Android device with Bluetooth. So if you connect your controller, you can play Call of Duty Mobile on medium settings without any problems in 3D. But the real game changer is cloud gaming. Streaming a AAA Xbox game in a massive screen in 3D into this device while you game with a controller in your bed is something that I never experienced before, and it's quite amazing. And if your attention span is not fried enough, you can also run a game on Xbox Cloud on this side and YouTube on the other side, and maybe even Instagram on one side. I mean, it's the dream. It's the dopamine dream. But remember when I said every first generation product has friction? The INAIR 2 Go Pack has some kinks that you absolutely need to know about. First, let's talk about productivity. So the bundle includes a folding keyboard, which is conceptually brilliant. But practically the keys are on the smaller side and they travel very shallow. So it does need some getting used to. Then there is the heat and the noise. The pod has a fan that kicks on immediately. On default mode, it's loud enough that you'll absolutely hear it, especially if you're not wearing earphones. Let's hear it right now. So I found myself switching to silent mode when I'm not using earphones. And it's not that loud, so it does not ruin your experience. Next is the visual hardware. The field of view is 46 degrees, which is totally fine for media, but it's noticeably narrower than some competition out there that push 52 degrees field of view. Also, all the tech inside the glasses make them a bit front heavy. You definitely feel that 80 grams sitting on your nose that I found myself needing to take them off every hour or so. But one thing to mention is that they made it very clear that you don't have to use the glasses from INAIR to use the pod. So you can buy X-Rail glasses, or you can buy the virtual glasses which have camera at the front, which means you have 6 degrees of freedom when you pair them with this pod. That means it will track your movement forward and backwards so as tilting your head. Right now, with these glasses, we have 3 degrees of freedom, so we can look around and see all the apps. But if you can pair them with different glasses, they don't mind that. They actually advertise for it sometimes. So where does that leave us? I have used these daily for 2 weeks. Will they replace my multi-monitor PC setup? No. Will they replace my 85-inch OLED TV in my living room? Absolutely not. But for editing on my Asus ROG Ally while traveling, or laying in bed watching Instagram or YouTube and playing games at the same time in 3D, this bundle or this pod is an absolute revolution. The INAIR Pod is the secret sauce. The fact that the pod works with third-party glasses too is genius. The price tag on this bundle is an investment, but the massive upgrade the pod brings to the XR space makes it more than justified. If you want to step into the future, this is exactly where you start. So I want you to smash that subscribe button, link in the description, and see you in the next one.